What's going on, guys? And today I got something pretty cool. Alright guys, so here it is. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Still sealed, I haven't taken the bag off. Whoa. Alright, let's get in here. And who doesn't like a nice Slurpee while they're doing some gaming? Alright, so there's the box, some other stuff in there. It's a really nice box, actually, got some stuff. And then here it is. USB-C, that's great, rechargeable. I like the on-off. Let's go ahead and peel this. Let's turn her on. I'm outside and it's really bright out here. Keep that in mind too. Level 1, handicap 0. Ghost piece on. Looks awesome. Let's turn on the light. Oh yeah, there you can see a little bit of glow. Like I said, it's really bright out here. All right, start. Cleaning them up, boy. Love it. Yeah, like I said, Slurpee, 11.5 million people drink and enjoy one of these every day. And Tetris is also one of the most recognizable brands for video games worldwide of all time. So that's why these two collaborated, and it is extremely awesome, and I absolutely love it. And if you hit up, it goes down. Stack, stack, stack. Hey, thanks for watching.